The Pantheon Building Materials. The extensive use of concrete opus conminium poured between the brick facades opus latericum makes the building a cohesive mass that ensures its solidity and good resistance to deformation forces. Depending on the height of the building, the concrete used includes different granular aggregates suitable for strength or lightness needs. Starting from the bottom, there are 5 different types of concrete. The wall of the rotunda, up to the first outer frame, is composed of concrete in which grains of tufa and limestone travertine are exposed. Between the first and second frame, the concrete consists of granular tufa aggregate. The wall above the second cornice and the first ring of the dome are built of concrete with granular aggregate combined with crushed brick, while the second ring of the dome is built of concrete containing granular aggregate with crushed brick and tufa. The dome cover was made with great care, built of concrete containing granular pumice and tufa, gradually decreasing in thickness from 5.9 meters at the base to just 1.5 meters at eye level, and then covered with a 15 centimeters thick layer of sealant paint. Roman concrete mortar is a mixture of sand and lime. Over time, it tends to calcify more and more, ensuring an excellent seal. Over the centuries, redirection of force. The bifurcated static thrust technique was used to construct the dome. The base of the dome 4 in the figure on the side tends to push outward, the wall supporting it. This cylinder is not full, but hollowed out by 7 holes 3 in the figure on the side. The weight of the dome is thus supported by the 8 massive building columns that separate these empty spaces. Therefore, it was necessary to balance the lateral centrifugal thrusts and convert them to vertical thrusts on the 8 columns. To achieve these results, manufacturers have adopted multiple solutions, including the outer wall 1 in profile extends beyond the foot of the dome by 8.4 meters 5 in profile to side and serves as a support. At the base of the dome is a series of 7 concrete rings arranged in step 6 in the figure on the side, visible from the outside, which convert lateral centrifugal thrusts into vertical thrusts. The thickness of the rotunda includes large 2-footed discharge arches square bricks, with 2 feet on each side, which direct the thrust to the rotunda. Other brick arches included in the wall of the rotunda, but visible from the outside. After the plaster has disappeared, redirect the thrust towards the columns. The bearing part of the cylindrical wall is reinforced with a series of small radial braces between the upper levels of the inner wall and the outer wall.